I wanted to talk to you today, actually, to a very specific person, the experienced entrepreneur. Maybe you've owned a business before, and maybe you've been in the trenches, built it from scratch, worn all the hats, and now you're asking yourself, okay, do I want to do that again? I've been there. It's a really good question because the answer might surprise you. Just because you built something from the ground up doesn't mean you have to. There's this myth out there that franchising is only for beginners, that it's training wheels for people who have never had a business before. But let me tell you from years of experience, franchising can be a very smart, strategic move, even for the seasoned entrepreneur. So when you start a franchise, you're not starting from zero. You've got a playbook, you've got systems, a brand that's already been tested in the real world. You don't need to be head dishwasher one day and web designer the next. So you've got a team behind you, people who are invested in your success because your success is their success. So I'm not saying that you can't build something brilliant on your own again, but let's be honest, it takes time, it takes energy, and it takes money to get it right. So with a franchise, you are stepping into a framework that already works. You can apply your skill set from managing people and growing that business and apply it to your new business, but it does mean you're going to have fewer blind spots, fewer mistakes, usually less of a ramp up time. So here's what I always tell people when they've built a business before. You already know the pitfalls, and franchising does set up a playbook to help you avoid them. It's not weakness, it's wisdom. Okay, so if you're at the stage of your life where you're ready to have that pride of business ownership again, but you don't necessarily want to start from scratch, and the support and the guidance and the camaraderie even of other franchisees makes sense, don't let your ego or just your habit prevent you from considering franchising. Take a look through the lens of an experienced business owner. It might be the smartest move that you've ever made. Let's talk soon.